Prosecutors say the man who kidnapped Jamie Kloss and killed her parents made the decision to do it after seeing her just once.
Mr. Patterson, is your name, address, and date of birth correct on the complaint?
Yes, sir.
Today, prosecutors formally charged Jake Patterson with murder and kidnapping. He appeared before a judge in the Barron County Courthouse. The 21-year-old told police he saw Jamie getting on a school bus and decided that she was going to be the girl he was going to take. After prosecutors say he murdered Jamie's parents and kidnapped the 13-year-old, Patterson left the house just 20 seconds before police showed up. Nearly 3 months later, when deputies pulled Patterson over, they say he told them right away, "I did it." Jeff Wagner spoke with prosecutors after today's hearing. He joins us now live in Barron. Jeff?
It was a packed house today, Frank, in the courtroom and the government center as a whole. Patterson's family was in attendance, as was Jamie Kloss's. An emotional day for both, and it's merely the beginning of what's a highly anticipated court case, not just here in Wisconsin, but across the country.
Mr. Patterson appears by video conference from the Barron County Jail.
Wearing an orange jail jumpsuit, Jake Patterson made his first court appearance Monday, answering questions with a calm demeanor.
And have you had enough time to discuss the waiver of time limits with your attorneys?
Yes, I did.
Patterson's father and brother, seen here, sobbed as the 21-year-old appeared on screen. The prosecution asked his bail be set at $5 million, outlining how Patterson carefully covered his tracks when he allegedly abducted Jamie Kloss and killed her parents, such as wiping down the shotgun shells used to avoid leaving fingerprints.
Your Honor, all of this indicates the defendant is a flight risk, a danger to the public, and he is unlikely to further return for further court proceedings without an exceedingly high cash bail.
And anything else, Mr. Glenn?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we're adjourned.
Afterwards, the prosecution team told reporters that seeking justice in this case is extremely important.
We have two parents of a 13-year-old who are deceased. We have a 13-year-old who was abducted for 88 days against her will forcibly. It doesn't get any more serious than that.
Prosecutors acknowledge there are more details in the case they've yet to reveal. They also say more charges could be filed against Patterson, specifically with regards to what might have happened at his home in Gordon, where Jamie was held captive.
She's 13 years old, and if you read the criminal complaint, you can see the amount of control that he was exerting over her. And at some point, she found it within herself at 13 years old to say, "I'm going to get myself out of this situation."
We called and emailed the defense team this evening in hopes of giving an interview or a statement, but we did not hear back. Patterson is due back in court February 6th.
All right, Jeff, some more today. Thank you very much, live in Barron.